HappyDanks is doing box number 89. There you go. Had to see what was coming out of 89. We're about to find out. We're about to find out. Be nice to pull a shield out of this. $2.99, Joe Thornton. Numbered 1 of 50, Dion Phaneuf. Regular autograph, numbered to 50, Brandon Shanahan. Namesake letter patch, Ron Francis, 19 of 75. And jersey, rookie jersey autograph, 10 of 50, Jake Allen. Quad patch, this one's Ed Belfour, Roberto Luongo, 3 of 50. Ooh, nice patch on this one. 3 of 5, Ryan Strome. Good looking chunk. And the last one, nailed it. He actually scored a goal yesterday. 38 of 50, Nail Yakupov. He got him a goal yesterday. He nailed it. That's the 50 version. Okay, pretty cool. Thanks as always, HappyDanks. I'll get it on the way.